In this job, we'll move a gun safe from this tight spot inside of the house to the garage. First, we will unbolt the safe with an impact gun. Next, we remove the closet doors. To avoid damage, we cover the marble flooring in front of the safe with a moving pad and a steel plate. Now we use rollers to get the safe out of the closet. We attach our hydraulic equipment and start rolling the safe to the garage. We have to be super careful. This just renovated home has marble flooring and freshly painted walls. The edge of the marble flooring at the garage door is also protected with a moving pad, steel plate and an aluminum ramp. Now we position the safe where designated and voila! If you liked our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more. God bless America!